What if you are watching a movie and move away from your couch which pauses your TV automatically? Sounds interesting, right? Well, Google is actually working on a technology like this which uses the study of Proximix. So watch this video till the end to know about the mind-blowing tech that Google is currently working on. So this is your host Arnav and you're watching Tech Arena. Let's go. First of all, let me explain what is Proximix. Well, Proximix is nothing but the study of usage of space. And you all know Google always surprises us with their mind-blowing technology. And you guys must remember Google Duplex, a Google Assistant feature which can automatically initiate a call with a salon or a restaurant to book your order.
So how can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second.
And Google Assistant will talk on behalf of you with a real human being. That particular tech, when it was revealed in the Google I/O years back, it blew people's mind. And like that, Google is currently working on a tech that uses Proximix, the study of usage of space. And you guys all know Soli Sensor, which was used in the Pixel 4 and also in the Google Nest Hub, which is an electromagnetic based radar sensor which can capture your gesture and analyze your behavior of your movement. And in compliance with your gesture and body movements, it will order the particular electronic device to trigger certain features. For example, if you move away from your couch, your TV automatically pauses. This is kind of an example of which Google is now currently working on. Now, there is a reason why I'm saying this is a mind-blowing innovation. We are in a world where manual things are being replaced by automated things. And in this world of automation, if Google is trying to do something with the study of movement and gestures of a human being, and if that technology comes into mainstream, well, it's going to take a huge leap in automation. And I'm sure this is a great technology. I mean, come on, without the usage of remote, if you just get up and go away from your TV, it automatically pauses your TV. This is just a small example on how that particular tech can be used. And we don't know what device or what particular thing that Google is currently working on with the usage of Soli Sensor. I mean, Google is taking its existing tech to the next level. And that is what every company should do. Instead of inventing new things, to take the existing tech to the next level to make wonders. That is what you need to do. But there is a very big question which comes in our mind. Will this come to India? Because the Google AI Duplex still is not here in India. And I totally understand that we are not an English speaking country and Google Duplex will only understand English. But not only that, Google Pixel 4 was also avoided here from India because of the usage of Soli Sensor, which is prohibited by the Indian Defense Force. So if there is a tech that Google is working on with the usage of Soli Sensor, then probably that won't make an appearance here in India. So what about countries like India? Because India is one of the biggest economic capitals of the world and there is a lot of population and you can do wonders in terms of business here. So what will Google do for countries like this where there are a lot of restrictions in terms of usage of small sensors like the Soli Sensor? So what do you guys think about this tech and in what device will Google use it? Comment down your opinion down in the comment section below. And as always, if this video was useful, share this video with all of your friends. Like this video if you really enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. You know the drill, red color subscribe button, just make it gray and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me Arnav signing off. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye.